like a Hellcat.
Hey everyone, this is teacher Harpreet and I'm back with another video on making fitness fun at home. For today's activity, I have combined set of fun and interesting body weight exercises which doesn't require any special equipment. Follow along the instructions. Each exercise will be doing for 10 counts. Let's start exercising together. Exercises will help you develop your strength and keeps you active. You can also perform these exercises every day as a warm-up activity. I hope you have enjoyed this activity. Keep exercising, stay healthy and be active. Bye-bye.